Hey lovelies, so this is Margin Eden official platform on Twitter, and there is an update that dropped yesterday, and when I saw it I keyed into it instantly and I want to share it with you guys. So once you come to this Magic Eden, you just scroll up is the updates. Yes, now see, this is Magic Eden says it is real. They posted it yesterday, which is the 4th of June. This is Trump Wallet. With billions of Trump fans around the world, the Trump mission has always been to make it super easy for Trump supporters to get into crypto and join the Trump community. This is Trump Wallet, $1 million and Trump reward. Now, Trump Wallet, in partnership with Magic Eden, are going to be allocating some free tokens to you. All you need to do is to join the waitlist. Like, just join the waitlist. Look at it. Just join. Look at it again. Yeah, just join the waitlist. So the Trump Wallet is powered by Magic Eden and it's coming up soon. Join the Trump community. That's just what you need to do. You need to join the waitlist. Let me click on this show more. Now you need to take this project very serious. Like, take it very serious, because it is going to cook well. It is going to cook well. Take it very serious. Now if you bought the Trump coin when it's listed the other time, you know that a lot of people make so much profit from it. So you need to take this project very serious. I'm going to go to my Mrs. browser right now and I'm going to show you how to log in. So all you need to do right now is to click on the link in the description box of this video, or just join the Telegram channel so that you get updates as it drops. Before I share updates here, I've already dropped on my Telegram channel, so join the Telegram channel as update drops. You get notified of the updates and you start immediately. So once you click on the link in the description box to bring you to this dashboard, or if you click on the link on the Telegram channel to bring you to this dashboard. Now if you're new to my vlog channel, you're most welcome. My name is Sussy and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side, my no-fail recipes on cakes, small chops, food trade, commercial drinks, and so much more. So yes, this is the channel you want to subscribe to. Once you're here, you just come down here, you enter your email address. This is compulsory. Then you come here, you choose your country and you enter your phone number. Then you put your X handle account, your X handle name, username on Twitter, and then you click here to agree to terms and condition, and then you come down here and you click on join waitlist. So after you've entered in your details, just as I've shown you, the next thing is going to bring you to this page. Now if you tried it and it's not working, that is, you inputted your details and it's telling you, giving an error notification at the top side here, just go ahead and wait and try in few hours. Yes, it will work perfectly. So now they sent me this particular message, so I'm going to go to my mailbox now. So you should be seeing it right here. Look at it here. So you just need to click on this and it's going to tell you here's what to do next. You need to confirm your email, and then you need to, that's number one, so you get more Trump reward by sharing your referral link. So as more people join via referral link, you're going to like go up on the ladder. Then you're just going to watch your inbox for more information. So I'm going to click here. I'll click like this. So you see that it's loading just like this, and that shows you that this is my rank right now, and then I'm on the wait list. So I'm going to come down here and see my referral code or referral link, and I'm going to copy it and share it. So the more people join, the more referrals you're going to have. Now look at this. It says Trump boxes are the key to rewards. Unlock exclusive Trump boxes just by referring friends. So the more friends you refer, the more Trump boxes you're going to get. So when the app launches, you'll be able to open your boxes, and every box from browns and upward is guaranteed to score a piece of the 1 million Trump prize pool. Start referring, don't miss your shot. Trump rewards are waiting. So you guys copy your link, start referring. If you have one referrer, you have this ticket. So if you have 5 referrals, you have browns. just on like that. If you have 10 referrals, you're going to unlock silver. So just on and on like that, on and on like that. So let's start referring friends and let's move to the next level. So that's all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the subsequent video, and don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Bye for now.